This is a video on how to make a coronavirus mask out of the Duda Energy Sheet 5 micron material. I managed to buy some. First, you cut a 9 by 13 inch piece out of the material. Then you mark it off every inch. This is a piece of aluminum flashing, and you need something like that to trim a nose strip off of. This is the nose strip positioned at the 1-inch line at the top of the mask. Then you simply fold the material over and pin it so the nose strip is trapped in here. Then you sew the nose strip in. And then you have to sew a little bit on each end of the nose strip, a little bit of a seam, so that you have it locked in there and there. Then you need to make some pleats, so you may have to mark the other side of the mask. And every 1/3 inch you're going to fold to make a pleat. So that marks the 3 fold points. And you fold it over, and you're basically making a 1-inch overlap on each fold. Then you pin those down. And when you've done all 3 of them, you have the mask all folded up. This is the top, and those are the 3 folds. Then, of course, you just sew them. Sew both sides, then you have the mask like this. So, nose strip, folded, sewed on sides. Then you need 2 end pieces, leftover material. I had 2 inches by 6-inch pieces. They're minimum adequate. Fold them over and pin them on the side. There's a little tunnel here where you're going to put your tie down. When you sew it, you need to make a double seam on each one so it's good and strong. So there's a fully sewn mask. My sewing isn't that great, but my design is great. Then I used elastic to thread for a tie down. You can use bias tape, ribbon, anything. I like the elastic because it keeps the tension on the mask. So here's the elastic threaded through like this. Bottom ties behind your neck. This goes over the top of your head. Okay, here's the mask on me. You see, it covers my whole face. And because of the elastic, it's tight around the side here. So, and the nose strip is just pinched down so that it's pretty tight for me. This is the same basic design made with 2 layers of pillowcase, one on the bottom, one on the top, between which I sandwiched 2 layers of furnace filter material as explained in my 5-minute mask video. And instead of elastic, this is a piece of bias tape for tying it on your head. And this is my wife wearing that same mask. So this basic design can be implemented in different materials and is a pretty good virus mask.